Okay, this right here is a kitty tickler. See the feathers? You got yellow, green, blue, red, and more blue. Anyways, I got to thinking about this. There's Shiloh Cat right there. She's looking for a sock. I'm sure she's gonna take it at the clothes basket. Okay, this right here is a kitty tickler, okay? It's a cat toy. You've seen videos of me playing with Shiloh Cat with this. Well, I got to thinking about how they make this, okay? See, it's just feathers that have been dyed, and they glue them in right there into this handle that I'm holding, okay? See? And they stick these streamers on it. And yes, Shiloh loves this thing. We just got to playing a few minutes ago. That's when I started thinking about how they made this. But these feathers had to have come from some type of bird, okay? And what I'm thinking is the company that made this kitty tickler, they probably kill the bird, whatever kind of bird feather this is. They kill the bird, and then they take all the feathers off of it. And then you consider how many of these are made and how many feathers are actually in this. That means there was probably hundreds of thousands of some type of bird that they have killed just to make money so we can have a kitty tickler to play with our cats. What do you think about it? I wonder what kind of bird that is. See how long the feathers are? There's Shiloh. Let's see if she's gonna play. Nope, she's gonna do something else right now. Anyway, yeah. I'd sure like to know what type of bird this came from and how they go about getting this feather. If anybody knows, please post it in the comments. Thank you. Let's see it, please. Shiloh Cat approved.